guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have lots of fun stuff for you guys. This is going to be a really exciting video. So I do have a reveal. I have a couple of unboxings, an unbagging, and of course, I will share with you my bag of the day. So if you are interested to see all the wonderful things that I have to show you today, stick around. Alright guys, so the very first thing that I want to share with you guys is this beautiful necklace that I'm wearing. This necklace, I will come close, is 18 karat gold and it has 4 diamonds. It's Roberto coin and it has a very dainty chain. I was gonna unbox it, but I couldn't wait, you guys. This is my 6,000 subscriber gift from me to me. Okay, so I haven't hit 6,000 subscribers yet, but I will very soon, hopefully. And I have about 150 more to go. If you guys don't mind and you're watching me and you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button. And yeah, join my fam jam here. We have a lot of fun. So this is the beautiful necklace that I bought myself. I think it's gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of Roberto coin. It's very dainty and that's what I like. Something I can just put on and keep on for a long time. And I have several necklaces, you know, similar to this that are dainty necklaces. I'll wear them maybe 6 months and then change out to another one. Because what I like to do with jewelry is wear it all the time. I do love costume jewelry, especially earrings, like these Louis Vuitton earrings, but I do love fine jewelry because I can sleep in it, I can shower in it, and I can wear it as long as I want until I get tired of it and I want to change it out for something else. So that is my 6,000 subscriber gift from me to me. When we went to Nashville, I mentioned in my Nashville blog that we went to Lululemon and someone asked me if I would share what I got at Lululemon. So I have been posting some links lately from Lululemon because I love Lululemon and I'm always late to the party, you guys. I know that it's been going on for a long time, the Lululemon craze, but you guys, I know they're expensive, but for me, it's worth it. They feel so soft. I love the styles. I love the compression you get with the leggings, and they're super, super comfortable. That's the main thing. So I have a Lululemon reveal here for you, and I also have a Lululemon belt bag. This is my 3rd one, you guys, so I really love them. I had a clear Lululemon bag that I found on the website, and since then I've been looking for another one, but the only place that I've been able to find them are on pre-loved sites or places like Poshmark, not pre-loved, places like Poshmark, Mart, and they're marking them up like triple. I knew when I saw that clear belt bag it was gonna sell out, and now I really wish that I had bought a couple of those. I think I spent like $38 on it and they sell for over $100. A lot of the places that I've seen online. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up. This one's a black one. I have a hot pink and I have the clear. And I love it because it's nylon. I also have this Louis Vuitton, but it's leather. And this would be perfect wearing to a ball game or anywhere when you're dressed casual and you think that it might rain. These little bags are so, so cute, so comfortable, and so affordable. I really love them. This is the large size, and there's different styles. It has a zipper on each side, like that. And it's very roomy. Look how roomy it is. So you can get a lot of stuff in this bag. And if you're interested, I can do what fits in my Lululemon bags and show you what I do have. Let me know if you would be interested to see what all it holds if you are interested in one of these cute little bags. Here's my phone, 11 Pro, and I'll put it in there just to give you an idea. I mean, it holds it holds a lot of stuff, okay? So I'm excited. I love to wear it, you know, across my chest. I love to wear it just like a belt bag. Brings back my youth, back in the 80s. Oh yeah. I think that it was around $48 for the large size. It doesn't have a price on it here. I could be wrong, but I will definitely link all the stuff in my description box below for you. Okay, do I look too close? I was looking in the monitor and I have on these glasses and they don't have bifocals. And I can't see you guys. Where is everybody? All right, I'll muddle on through. Okay, so here are some items in my Lululemon bag I will share with you. The very first item is a jacket. So it's called the Define jacket. And they have so many different types of jackets. Now this one is more of a fitted jacket. And I think it would be just great for an everyday jacket. It looks great with leggings, shorts, anything you want to wear. Okay, there we go. It tapers in at the waist. It has zip pockets. I love the back of it. It has this kind of decorative flap here. It has a mesh there, but it's really stretchy, very flattering. You could wear it with just about anything. And of course, I love the fact that it has this thumb hole. I love that. I love that in a jacket. So this is from the Define line. The Define line. And this jacket, I believe, was $128. I believe that's right. I'm probably going to grab one more, probably in that beautiful royal blue. I think would be really pretty with some black leggings. I am just loving Lululemon these days. Okay, so I got that. I got this really cute skirt. It was $78 and it is from, Pace Rival skirt. I'm not real familiar with all this stuff, but there's like different lines and, you know, different types of skirts. Okay, there we go. This one has pleats. It's a little wrinkly. It's been in the bag. It's got a little zip area back here. I don't know what that's for. But it's a skirt and it has the shorts, you know, underneath. You could actually wear this with some black leggings and some little boots and it would be really cute. So I feel like you could dress it up or down, even though it's really sporty. Okay, so I got an outfit to wear together. I just got a pair of brown shorts and these were $74. Yes, they're pricey. Now on the Lululemon site, they have categories like we made too much or almost new. You know, you can get things for a discount, but these are just some brown shorts and I love brown and pink together. So I got my favorite tank, and this is the Align tank. This is like my third one. I think I have a white one, a black one, this one, oh, and a blue one. I have like 4 of these. And you see how it's made in the front, kind of scoops in, and it scoops in the back. And I'm wanting to try their bras because I think their bras would go great with these tops. Some of their tops have like bras already in them, but this one doesn't, so I do want to try their bras. And this was $58. So just with these few items, I mean, it is pricey, but it's really nice stuff, and I've been wearing this stuff for months now. Once you go Lululemon, you never go back. All right, guys, so this is the moment I have been waiting for. I don't know how excited you guys are, but I know I am super excited because I have something from FASHIONPHILE and I cannot wait to tear into this, So this is something that I saw on FASHIONPHILE, and the minute I saw it, I thought, I'm getting it. So I grabbed it up immediately. I knew that I wanted it, and that's really the kind of shopper I am. And honestly, if you have to really think about something, you should probably continue to think. So that's the advice I would give anybody who is a shopper like I am. If you have to really think about it, then maybe think a little bit longer and maybe that yearning will pass. But when you see something that you love instantly and you know that if you don't get it, you're just gonna be thinking about it and regretting not purchasing it, then just go ahead and grab it, because you'll regret it if you don't. All right, I am so excited because it's from FASHIONPHILE. Oh yeah, so exciting. So exciting. So here it is. It says used is the new. I have no problem with that. All right, so it's in this FASHIONPHILE dust bag. Let me take, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the color. Woo. Okay, all right guys. It is a Fendi wallet on chain, and this color is to die for. Look at this. Look at the chain. Oh my gosh, the chain is gorgeous. Look at that chain. Beautiful chain. Oh, I love a wallet on chain. And this is more kind of like the shape of just a regular full-size wallet. But if you love a wallet on chain like I do, this would be perfect for a night out. Isn't this a pretty neutral color? It's like a sage green. I absolutely love this color. And it's in excellent condition. Let me just kind of look it over. It's small, you guys. It's a small piece, but I love it because I think it's perfect for going out. So you open it up. It had this Fendi dust bag inside of it, so I went ahead and took that out. So you have the card holder area here. You have a middle zip part, and you can put change or whatever in there. I would probably put a key fob in there if I were going out alone. Now, my cell phone. Where's my cell phone? Let's see if it fits. I won't really be surprised if it doesn't, but I can take my phone out of this case if I want to, because I love to be able to put my phone in whatever. But you guys, look, it fits even with the case. But this is a Fendi wallet on chain, so it would be perfect. Put my credit cards here, a few bills in here with my key fob, and just a small lippy, and really, that's all you need for a night out. And right in the front, I noticed there's like not one pocket right here, 2 pockets. So if you have like a, you know, like a ticket, if you're going to an event and you have a ticket, you could slip your ticket in this front pocket and you can find it easily. It's just plain on the back. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna put it on and show you guys how I want to wear it. And if I had some scissors, I would cut this off because it's in perfect condition, just as stated. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you. Okay guys, so I have it on. I love it. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. It would even go with this dress, even though this dress is pink and black and white, because it's such a neutral. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes, my phone is inside of it, and I could use this for a night out if I had a girls' night out or anything, and I can just carry my bare necessities. So I'm gonna be cutting this off because she's a keeper, and I think this is just gorgeous. What do you guys think? The color is absolutely gorgeous. This would also be perfect for traveling, like if you're using a backpack, a Neverfull, or a larger bag, and then you want to take something small when you go out sightseeing, but you don't want to be bothered with a big bag or shopping. This is the perfect little bag, or it's not really a bag, it's a wallet, but I love it. I'm a huge fan of a wallet on chain. This is way cheaper than the Chanel, but if you guys would like to see a comparison between this and my Chanel wallet on chain, and I have a couple other wallet on chains, I may pull those out and share with you, but for sure I would like to do a comparison between this one and the Chanel. Let me know if you're interested in that. All right, guys, so let me share with you my bag of the day. So I've been carrying this all weekend, and actually today is Wednesday, so I've carried it all week. I'm really enjoying it, but I'll probably swap out tomorrow. Tomorrow I am actually going with Drew and his mommy to his doctor visit, because he still needs prayers, you guys. He still has a ways to go. He is just very small. He's 10 pounds 8 ounces, and he's 12 weeks old, going on 3 months old, and he's very, very small. So he looks really healthy. He looks, you know, like he's gaining. Just to look at him, he has chubby little cheeks. I'll insert a picture at the end of the video so you guys can see him, but he needs to gain weight. So they said if he doesn't start gaining weight, he'll have to have his NG tube put back in, and we're going to talk to his doctor about it tomorrow, or he'll have to go back into the hospital if he doesn't start putting on some weight. So say a prayer for him, and also say a prayer for my mom. She's not doing great, you guys. She's has good days and bad days. I mean, that's really all I can tell you, because I don't want to infringe on her privacy, because she's very private, but she wouldn't mind me asking you guys to say a prayer for her, mainly that she won't have pain. That's the main thing, you guys. So, but anyway, I love you all so much. Please do subscribe. And what do you think about my little wallet on chain? I love it, you guys. So I'll do a review on it. I just wanted to get up here and open it. I was so excited. I wanted to share with you my necklace I bought. I love it. I got it from Nordstrom. And they don't usually, like if you buy fine jewelry, like if I ordered it from Roberto Coin, it probably would have been really fancy presentation, but I just ordered it from Nordstrom because I had some Nordstrom notes and Rakuten and all that. So it helps, you know, save me money, and I didn't care about it. But if you're buying something like that for a gift for someone, I would say, you know, get it from Roberto Coin. Or, you know, department stores, they don't really care about the brands. So if you want to order something nice like this for someone, I would definitely order it from Roberto Coin, David Yurman, or wherever it is, you know, whatever it is you're ordering, and not the department store. All right, guys, before I start rambling even more, I'm just gonna bid you guys goodbye. And I'll be back in a couple of days, because I have another very exciting unboxing, and it's on the way right now as we speak. So I'm going to leave you guys with a little cliffhanger. All right, guys, so let me know what you think about my beautiful wallet on chain. I will use this a lot. I'm so excited, and I absolutely love that gorgeous color. And I don't think I'm going to be filming in these glasses. I said they didn't have bifocals, but they do. And that's why I notice I keep doing this. Because like this, I can only see far away. It's old people problems, guys. Anyway, guys, I love you all so much. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video on another day. Peace.